Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Soumitra Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some assignment of chapter number 9, which is The Boy Who Wanted to Read. So, without any delay, let's start our video. Firstly, I will remind you once again that in the live video class, I have explained all the story of this chapter. But in this video, I am going to explain all the assignment of this chapter. So, let's start. Chapter number 9, page number 77. On the page number 77, you have given an exercise which is exercise number A, which is read the sentences and tick the correct meanings. You have given 3 sentences and for these 3 sentences you have given 2 options and you have to tick on the correct meaning of the asking sentence. Okay, so first question is, he made books come alive for the blind. The options are, he acted out books for blind people. Option number B, he made it possible for the blind people to read books. So which option is right? Option number B. Second, Mr. Braille rushed to his son, but the damage was done. Options are, Mr. Braille hurt his son when he rushed towards him. Option number B, Mr. Braille rushed to help his son, but he was already hurt. So, which option is right? Option number B. Move to the third question. The very tool that had caused him to go blind would help him to read. Options are, the tool that blinded him could be used for reading. Option number B, the tool that blinded him could be used to make a reading aid for the blind. So, option number B is right option. Next, question number B, which is answer these questions. In this question, you have given 5 questions. And I have sent this question in the PDF, so you will write these answers of the questions from my PDF, okay, and you will write these question answer in your CW copy and as well as in your fear copy. Now move to the third question, question number C, think and answer. I have also sent this exercise in the PDF, so you will watch the PDF and you will write this question from the PDF in your CW as well as in your fear copy. Now move to the question number D. Question number D is fill in the blanks with phrases from the box. Students, in this question you have given 5 statements and for these 5 statements you have to write, you have to fill phrases and you can take help from the box by choosing these words from the box. You have to fill the blank. So let's start first question, which is, Hari has finished his science project but he is still working on it because he wants to improve it further. Move to the second question. Though Paresh is usually quite shy, he decided to blank at acting this year and has got a role in the school play. So option number, question number second, you will fill try his hand. Though Paresh is usually quite shy, he decided to try his hand at acting this year and has got a role in the school play. Now the third question, I enjoyed the Harry Potter movies because they made the stories and characters from the books blank on screen. So you will fill come alive. I enjoyed the Harry Potter movies because they made The stories and characters from the books come alive on the screen. Fourth question, Mr. Cutie let out blank when she switched on the light in the kitchen and found the cat crouching on the counter. So you will feel a loud cry. In the fourth statement, you will feel a loud cry. Mr. Cutie let out a loud cry when she switched on the light in the kitchen and found a cat crouching on the counter. Fifth question, Kapil is determined to do well in his studies as well as make it to the cricket team this year. He will not let anything slow him down. Now move to the question number E. Match these idioms with their meanings, then use two of them in sentences of your own. So, in the first column you have given idiom and in the second column you have given the meaning of these idioms. So, you have to firstly match the idiom with their meaning, then you have to use two of them in sentences of your own. Okay, I will send this exercise in the PDF, so you will also watch the PDF. Okay. So first is as fate would have it. You will match it with C, which is as it happened. Second, wept bitter tears. You will match it with D, which is cried in regret and sorrow. Third, felt under the weather. You will match it with B, which is felt unwell. Fourth, from rags to riches. You will match it with E, which is from great poverty to great wealth. Fifth, rained cats and dogs. You will match it with A, which is rained heavily. Now move to the next question, which is spelling. Question number F is, there is one incorrectly spelled word in each sentence. Underline it and write the correct spelling in the box. So, first question is, the curious kitten pounced on the ball of wool. So, curious, C-U-R-I-U-O-S. It is incorrectly written, so you will underline it and the correct word is C-U-R-I-O-U-S. You will write C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Move to the second. The grammar test was quite easy. So, G-R-A-M-M-E-R. It is incorrectly written, so that's why you will underline it. And the correct spelling is G-R-A-M-M-A-R. Move to the third. Arjun and Amar had an argument this morning. So, argument is incorrectly written, that's why we have to underline it. And the correct meaning is A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Fourth is, we had a talk on the environment in school day. So, environment is given, that's why it is incorrectly written, that's why you will underline it and the correct spelling is E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T. E-N-V-I-R-O-N-M-E-N-T, environment. Okay. Fifth is, many students gave suggestions on how to save water and electricity at home. So, spelling of suggestion is incorrectly written, so you will underline it. Next, the correctly spelling is S-E-G-G-E-S-T-I-O-N-S, suggestions. Okay. Move to the grammar fun. So, grammar fun is related to adverbs. Words like loudly, tomorrow, outside, that tell us how, when or where something was done or is being done are called adverbs. They tell us more about verbs in a sentence. So what is adverb? Adverbs tell us more about verbs in a sentence. For example, Louis worked hard to overcome his disability. Second example, father took us to the park yesterday. Adam is playing upstairs in his room. Okay, hard, yesterday, upstairs. These words tell us more about verbs in the given sentences. So that's why these are related to adverbs. Now, next exercise is related to adverb, which is circle the adverbs in these sentences. You have given 6 sentences and you have to circle the adverbs. First question, Mahesh called early this morning. So, early. Early is adverb, you will circle it. Second, I waited there for an hour. There is adverb, you will circle it. Third, Gaurav was playing merely in the garden. Merely is adverb, you will circle it. I can hardly believe my ears. Hardly is adverb, you will circle it. Fifth, Aslam arrived yesterday. Yesterday is adverb, you will circle it. The children ran outside to play. Outside is adverb, you will circle it. Okay, move to the next question, which is question number H. Look at the picture, use adverbs of your choice to make these sentences about it. In this question, you have given a picture and related to this picture, you have given 4 sentences and you have to fill adverb. I have sent this exercise in the PDF, so you will watch the PDF and by watching the PDF, you will fill blanks in it. Okay, move to the question number I. Communication skills. It is related to listening and speaking. So question number I is, your teacher will read out some facts about Louis Braille. Listen carefully and fill in the blanks. You have given a paragraph and in this paragraph you have given blanks. Okay, and you have to do this exercise by reading the paragraph which is given on the page number 110. On the page number 110, you have given a paragraph. Check number 9, the boy wanted to read. The paragraph is given. Okay, and you have to read this firstly, then you have to fill the blank and complete the paragraph. I am reading this paragraph. Louis Braille was born on 8 January 1809. His family lived in a small town near Paris, France. His father was a leather craftsman. Louis was the youngest of 4 children. He lost his sight at the age of 3. At the age of 10, he moved to a special school for the blind. He invented Braille, a language for the blind, at the age of 15. So, you can see the highlighted words 8 January, Paris, leather craftsman, 4, 3, special school, invented. You can see these highlighted words and you have to fill these highlighted words in the given paragraph. Okay. So, I am reading it. Louis Braille was born on blank 1809. So, you have given 8 January. So, in the first blank, you have to fill 8 January. His family lived in a small town near Paris, France. His father was a blank, Louis blank. So, in the blank, you will fill diary. Fill in the blanks with words from the box to help complete his diary entry. So diary entry is given in the box and you have given blank. Okay, and you have to fill the blank by choosing the words from the box. So let's start. 23rd April 1825. Dear diary, I am so blank of my wonderful son Louis. In the first blank you will feel proud. I am so proud of my wonderful son Louis. Years ago when he was just a blank. In the blank you will feel toddler. A terrible blank. In the third blank you will feel accident. Took place in my workshop as a blank. In the fourth blank you will feel result. As a result of that accident, Louis lost his sight. I have always felt so guilty. G-U-I-L-T-Y, guilty. In the fifth blank you will feel guilty and sad. That just happened to my beautiful little boy. But Louis didn't allow his blank. In the blank you will feel disability. Okay, in the sixth you will feel disability. To stop him in any way. He has always been bright, blank. In the seventh, you will feel creative. C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E. Creative, happy and determined. And now he has invented a whole new way for the blind to read. Someday, I am sure this blank of his will change the world. Now the last blank you will feel invention. I-N-V-E-N-T-I-O-N. So we have done all the exercise. You will fill all the exercise firstly in the book. After that you will write all the exercise in your HW copy. In the CW copy I have sent you will write question answer and question number H. Okay, but in the HW copy you will write all the exercises. For today video lecture, that's it. We will meet soon with a new online video lecture. Till then you will complete your